Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Go, go, go! Faster, faster!
They won't stop though. They're right behind them. They're on the road.
I told them to chase the car.
There's a car coming. They better watch it.
Okay, jeez. Are they chasing down the road?
They got tired.
No coat on.
No coat on.
Hey, you know how to wear them out now. Hey, go chase that car.
I didn't know you were not the here.
They come back in.
Leave it to them.
He had to get something exciting going on today besides you drinking.
Let's see. Let's see.
Is that exciting? Where you going? That's gonna somebody's chasing him down the road.
You get a new phone again?
Hello?
Damn.
I told you to go.
My shoe is on the wrong feet.
I told you to go. They're chasing you.
Where you been? They didn't catch us. Did you see Terry Ford?
Do what?
Did you see Terry Ford?
No. Yeah?
Well, that's what he did.
Alright, drive safe.
My feet are
Alright, bye.
my shoes were on the wrong feet. So I was chasing them.
No coat on.